Hey, what's up guys, it's Decoding Cube back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna break down Max Park's amazing 4.92 average of 5, that is YouTube's unofficial world record. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so now let's break down his first solve of the average of 5 session. So this solve was 5.96 seconds and it was 9.56 TPS with 57 moves. So yeah, here Orange Cross looks pretty tempting because this pair is already solved. Just 2 moves away from Cross, this pair can be solved easily and this pair is all ready to go. But what Max Park decides is he chooses Yellow Cross. So as you can see here, he has a beautiful X Cross. So what he does is for the cross, he does a R2 to insert this pair, this block, and then just a U2 for this, and just like that, his X cross is done. Now, for the second F12 pair, what he does is this F12 pair, he does this. So U prime, then D, like he does a cube rotation and inserts it in the back like that. And then he has this pair, so just insert it like that, and then he has this last F12 pair which goes into here. So he solves all of the 4 F12 pairs like that. Now what he does is a U2, and while doing the OLL he cancels into his PLL, that is a T perm. So he cancels into the T perm and just a U2 for the AUF, and just like that the first solve is done. Now let's move on to the second solve. Okay, so for the second solve, what he does is green cross. So as you can see here, we already have 2 green F12 pairs solved, that are this and this. So what he does is first inserts this block, white and green, with some white R moves, then the green and red, and then just inserts both of them together and just the last green and yellow. So now he had already seen this pair and this pair in the inspection. So what he does is he solves this pair into the front, and then he solves this. So that is by doing this, and this will be solved, and this pair solved was not part of the inspection. So again he just puts this in the back. Now as we can see here, we already have a pretty easy third F12 pair, but he does not do this pair, and instead he does this pair because he already knows where these two pieces are. So he does this pair by doing R, U prime, R prime, and he sets up this, and just with a 3 move insert it gets inserted in the back. Now as we can see here, we already have a pretty good 4th F12 pair. So he quickly inserts that, and then he does U and just the OLL and PLL. So here again, and that was the OLL, and for the PLL he does this. So that is R2 U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R, and a U prime for the AUF. So that's it for the second solve. Now let's move on to the third solve. Also, this solve was 4.90 seconds and it consists of 55 moves. So as you can tell, he is pretty consistent with his move count, and also the solve was 11.22 TPS, and that is just pretty insane and crazy TPS. So yeah, now let's move on to the third solve. Okay, so the third solve was 4.98 seconds with 10.24 TPS and 51 moves. Like seriously, his move count keeps on decreasing. So let's quickly do the scramble. Okay, so now what he sees in this is first the white and red F12 pair, that is 2 group pairs here, white and red and yellow and red, and that is the only reason he does green cross, because it is easier to track the group pairs. So now he first inserts the green and white block, so he does it by just doing that. And now before doing a F move, he does a U, so that it is easier to track all of these four pieces. So this, and he finishes off the cross, and he had already tracked all of these four pieces in the inspection. So now what he does for the first F12 pair is R, U prime, R2, and as you can see here, this pair is solved, and just with a U prime and a R, the first F12 pair is solved in the back. Now for the second F12 pair, what he does is a U2, RUR prime, and then what he does is this is solved. So what he does is inserts it in the back. So that was a pretty easy insert. And then for the third F12 pair, what he does is U, then a D, and then a rotation, and then a R, U prime R, and again D prime. So that solves the third F12 pair, that is here. And then he sees this fourth F12 pair, that is not pretty good, but still he does it pretty quick. So he does it by doing this, and that will be the fourth F12 pair solved. Now for the OLL, he does U prime, R prime, U prime R, U prime R prime, U2, RUR prime, F prime, U prime F U R, and that will result in a full solve. So that was the third solve. Now let's move on to the fourth solve. Okay, so now the fourth solve, and it was 4.76 seconds with 51 moves again and 10.71 TPS. So what he does is he solves the blue cross, and he gets a beautiful X cross here. So what he does is he breaks this block to solve the X cross in the back. So he does this and R2, and then it sets up the X cross in the back. So he just solves the X cross pretty easily, and it is pretty intuitive. So now he does a L and a U prime before doing a F prime, because it sets up the blue yellow red pair. So he does this, and then this pair will be set up by doing a RUR prime. So then he cube rotates and a RUR prime again. And now for the third F12 pair, what he does is this. So he gets this pair, and this pair is pretty intuitive as well, and also this pair, which is pretty intuitive as well. So now he's on the OLL, and I actually don't know this OLL, but still, so he does a U prime, wide R, U prime R2, U R2, wide R2, U R wide R2 prime, and yeah, just like that the OLL is done. And then he gets a T-palm here, so he just does the T-palm. I locked up a lot on that T-palm, and a U for the AUF, and that finishes the fourth solve. And now it begins the final solve. Okay, so for the fifth and final solve, it was 4.87 seconds, 8.62 TPS, and just 42 moves. That is pretty insane. So now he does the double X cross on the right side, and just within 5 moves after the X cross, he solves the third and the fourth F12 pair. That's like crazy. Now let's move on to the solution. Okay, so for the solution, he does R2 to just get the white, orange and blue block, and then he does a U prime D prime consequently to solve this white and green cross piece. So he does a L prime and a D prime R to solve this white and red cross piece, and then he does a U RUR prime, a U2, and before doing a D prime he does this and then does a D prime. So he has already these two pairs solved, and he does the third and fourth F12 pair together by doing R prime, F, R, U prime, and then F prime. So now onto the OLL. So he stumbles a bit by doing a U prime and U, but then he catches back up by doing a R prime, U prime R F R F prime U R, and that was the OLL part. And now for the PLL, he does a U prime and then R prime U L prime U2 R U prime R prime L U L prime U2 R U prime and L to finish off the solve. And this was a great solve just for the two moves. And yeah, that's it for the video, and that's it for the Max Sparks breakdown. So if you have enjoyed this video, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Thanks for watching.